No chat. No. Yes. Yes. I see more yeses than no's. Okay. 2 Hall of Fame niggas. FUD versus Wolf Game. Everybody wreck it. Wreck it. It's pronounced food, not FUD, like mud. Are you fucking retarded? Who the fuck named FUD food? How the fuck does that sound the same? Alright, we're gonna get FUD versus Wolf Gang. Alright, come up. Everybody wreck it. Wreck it. Post on YouTube. Hashtag ranking. Oh, he's coming up with his entity account. Hold on. Come on with his entity account.
Joke for joke, nigga. Up your mic, nigga. Say a joke, bitch. Say a joke. Say a joke. Up your mic. Say a joke. Nigga, up your mic like you used to. Say a joke. Fell off, nigga. Say a joke. Say a joke. Like my son. Say a joke. I'm like, fuck all that shit. Say a joke, bitch. Trash. Nigga. Once a joke for a joke, but you're a troll. Bro, joke for a joke. Bitch, your mic is ass, bro. Trash. Bro, joke for joke, bitch ass nigga. Joke for joke, bitch. Joke for joke, bitch.
Come on.
Son, shut your.
Say a joke. Say a joke. Say a joke.
This your time. Your next video. Check out your chest. My son, say a joke.
Candy out pizza the hut. White my ass nigga, say a joke.
Nigga, where's your legs at, nigga?
Trash.
I posted that with the thing.
Trash.
Stupid ass nigga, you ain't flying. My nigga say something, bro. You
white my ass nigga. You already got shit, dirty ass nigga. You try to trim your mustache or lemons. Dirty ass nigga, try to pull a motor on that pair of scissors. Dirty ass nigga, you wanna flame. Record health body built ass nigga. Asian academics body built ass nigga. You wanna flame? You wanna flame nigga, say Joe nigga.
Mic back, bro. That old ass microphone, nigga talking on nigga like mad. Nigga, I'm finna make a new video with this hoe, stupid ass. Hey, you my son, FUD K, boy.
Trash. But them pictures are ass. Dirty ass nigga. Squirt gun like ass nigga. Like a disappointed mosquito. Dirty ass nigga like a mosquito. Rob at his family. Dirty ass nigga wanna flame. Faggot ass nigga, shut your bitch ass up. Nigga in his house was stripped by a tornado. Nigga woke up one day and it was a piece of land. Oh, sound like you wanna flame, nigga said Joe nigga.
Hey, nigga got away, nigga. Bruh. That man, bro, what are you saying, nigga?
Trash.
My son.
Trash. 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 Get low, I'm louder. Oh. Dirty ass nigga, I play nigga, fuck all shit, man.
Get low, bro. I'm louder, bro.
Trash. I got y'all. Bitch.
Wait, what the fuck happened?
Listen, I just want to say
Nigga, nostalgic. Is someone dying in the background, dude?
nostalgic.
Huh?
Fucking that fucking FUD died in the background. What the fuck?
No, I was hearing that shit too.
That nigga
I
had to
swear
be
I was
trolling.
hearing.
No way.
Y'all heard some shit about my background, nigga?
Yeah, niggas.
Yes, nigga, it sounds like someone is getting, like, tortured.
Nigga, fuck massacre.
Yo, let me tell you my life, cause I thought I was hearing some shit. Am I tripping?
Nigga, no, bro, you got ghosts in your shit, bitch ass.
Y'all niggas like making up shit, bro. Yo, stop fucking
Nigga,
trolling,
no.
bro. Stop trolling, bro.
Nigga, nostalgic. I heard in the back. I swear on everything I love, bro. I swear to God, I heard that bullshit, nigga. You got, nigga, you got ghosts in your crib. You got ghosts in your crib, nigga.
Bruh, heard what, bruh?
Nigga, I heard the nigga, you got ghosts in your shit, bitch ass.
Wait. So y'all not the only niggas that heard this shit? I heard
That nigga's hiding kids in his basement.
Yo, skate. Don't play with me, nigga. Don't play with me like that, nigga. Bruh, is that Woo? That like Woo with the two U's or two O's? What's the difference? I see the Caucasian man. Was that a nigga VR chat, nigga?